Making money with AI is easy, and there are 4 steps that, if implemented correctly, would make you money instantly. And what are these 4 steps that I'm talking about? The 4 steps I'm talking about are: first, you have to research and document. 2, you have to research and implement. 3, you have to build a system. And 4, you have to educate. Building the system and education, they go hand in hand, so they're somehow intertwined. Now, for you to make money with AI, you have to follow these 4 steps if you want to make money with AI in this 2024. Now, why do I say this? The world has changed a lot, and you have to change with it. You have to swim with the tide. If you're swimming against the tide, you might get lost, you might get tired, and you might fail. But if you're swimming with the tide and swimming with the flow, then you're going to get where the money is. So there are steps that you have to implement and follow for you to succeed in life. It is said that those who struggle focus on goals, and those who win focus on systems. Systems and building a system is the 3rd step that you have to follow in this video. Building a system. Because there are 4 steps, and I'll go over these 4 steps so you can understand how you can scale and build a business with AI in 2024. In 2024, we're going to see a huge saturation in the content creation market as we've seen in 2023. 2023 with AI, we got a really, really huge inflow of new content creators into the space, and 2024 is going to be an even more saturated year for content creation. And if you were not starting now, or you're not trying to build a brand, or build a business, or make money with AI now, it might get really saturated to the point that you might find it hard to make any money in the coming years. It's important for you to start right now if you want to make money with AI. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Micah, and I talk about everything AI and technology and how you can implement AI to make money. This video is going to be like really, really inspiring and really eye-opening for you. 2023 gave us a glimpse of what the world would look like in the future, and we saw how AI has been revolutionizing the entire ecosystem, the entire technological ecosystem. And for you to make money with AI in this 2024, you have to follow these 4 steps. Now, when I say research and document, there are platforms where you can actually go to research. There are different tools and different industries, and how you can apply these tools to help someone's business, or help your business, or help any business around you. And once you are able to research and find out tools, AI tools that would help you help someone else's business, or help you help your business, then you're going to make money. Because if you go to a business and you see, okay, this is a loophole that they have, this is something that they're struggling with, and somehow AI has made it possible for you to automate that, or for you to fix that problem for them easily with AI, you can do that, and you're going to get paid. There are so many ways to do this. Now, researching and documenting is like really important. It's like the first step for you to make money with AI in 2024. Now, the second step is research and implement. Now, implementation, it means after documenting, you get these tools and you review them, and you make sure that these tools are aligned with your industry or your niche, the niche that you're really interested in, with your strengths, things that you are really attracted to, you gravitate towards naturally. And now you implement those tools by either creating a brand and reaching out to businesses, or starting the business on your own. Like I said, I have a business I started with AI, and that's a print-on-demand business, and it has been going smoothly. It's really not easy, but you have to be consistent. I was consistent. At first, I wasn't consistent, but along the line, I decided, okay, I'm going to put in my whole energy into this business, and it's going to work. And so far, so good. It's been good. I've been making around $2,000 to $3,000 a month passively, and that's something that anyone can do easily. Once you go through this second phase, which is research and document, and research and implement. Now, the next step for you to do is to build a system. What is a system? A system is a group of things that work together for a particular goal. And what is the goal here? For you to make money, for you to grow. And a lot of things can work as a system for you. For example, social media can be a system. You could use social media to build a system. In what sense? You can grow a social media following, in that once people come, you can help brands do a little bit of promotion in regards to your niche. Now, that's one way. There are a lot of other ways which you can implement social media in content creation, because content creation is like really expanding, and the creator economy is about to hit have $1 trillion by 2027. That's been the projection for content creation. And if you're not into content creation, I advise that you probably look for a way to get started with content creation, because that's like the future of selling. The future of selling is content creation. The time when we were doing the normal advertise is like long gone now. Content creators are the new advertisers now. Content creators have churned out a massive chunk of advertising money, and you have to get a slice of that cake if you want to succeed in 2024 and the coming years. Now, the next step after building a system is for you to educate. Now, education is also part of a system. It's like the second part of the system, because once you educate, you're going to build a following for people that are interested in what you're tutoring about. And once you implement this step correctly, you're going to build a huge following, which in turn is going to get you a lot of money from selling courses, from brand deals. There are a lot of ways you can monetize education, because education is like really, really big right now, especially with the synthesizing and all that. I don't want to go deep into synthesizing. I'll probably do a different video about that, because AI is the future. And if you can implement these 4 steps: research and document, research and implement, building a system, and educating, you're going to succeed in 2024. It's going to be like really easy for you to scale a business. Like, I could go in depth and tell you how you can follow each of these steps, but I do not want this video to be like really long. But just know that there are a lot of platforms. For example, if you go on futuretools.io, you're going to find out that there are a lot of tools that you can actually implement to help a business around you, to help your business, or to help someone else's business. And in turn, once you help a business, you're going to get money. That's how it works. We are in the servicing industry. Once you render service to anyone or to a business, it doesn't have to be a business. It could be an individual. If you can render service and the service is valuable, then you're going to get paid. And that's how you can go about making money with AI. There are a lot of ways you can implement to make money with AI, but these are just a few. And if you follow these 4 steps correctly, because the steps are really important, because I have applied these steps and they've made me a lot. I've been working as a freelancer for a long time now. I graduated university in 2016. It has helped me somehow, but it hasn't been easy. And I found an opportunity with AI, and I decided to go all in, and it has paid off in many ways. It's opened the window of opportunities for me. I started a YouTube channel, and I grew because I swam with the tide. You have to follow the tide, and if you're swimming against the tide, then it's going to be really harder for you. But if you're swimming with the tide, then it's going to take you where the money is. If you can follow these steps diligently, if you can follow these 4 steps diligently, then I assure you, 2024, you're going to make a whole lot of money with AI. And these steps can be applied to any other industry. It doesn't have to be AI. You can just implement the steps to every other industry or every other business. If you follow the steps and implement them correctly, then you're going to make money. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I hope you like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. We have a lot of AI tutorials coming, and I hope you subscribe so you don't miss any of them. Thank you.